Hello, my name is Larry, Sales and Business Strategist, and today I'm here with Jeffrey Kirk. And we're talking about Jeffrey's new book. The one thing I love about Jeff is he's spoke at some of my business seminars in the past on teaching people how simple it is to master the websites and understand truly how simple it is to market their business. And then all of a sudden Jeff comes up with a book that even makes it more simpler for me and people like you who are just, hello, I'm from Arkansas, right? That need to keep it simple. So Jeff, I'm loving it. I really am. Jeff, say hi.
Hi.
I got, there's one thing in the book I like, it's page 9.
Okay.
Folks, and he has in here, how did your website end up like this? Now, how many times have other people, Jeff, or even myself, I've asked the same question. How did it end up like this? And I'm realizing now, after Jeff put it in such simple words, you know, is it working for you or is it looking good? You know, at first I thought it needed to just look good. And if it looked good, then it would work, right? And then I got to think, well, it ain't working. So the looking good just about isn't about everything. So what Jeff teaches in his book and in his coaching and in his business is that you need a little of everything mixed in, just like a great bowl of chicken noodle soup, right?
Exactly.
It all needs to be mixed up, but if one's moving more to the other, so when I started out with my website years ago, I thought it was all about looking good. Jeff talks about in his book that it's almost like when I was printing my brochures, I wanted the website to look like my brochure, you know, and then I thought I hit it a home run. But I realized that wasn't making it work also, Jeff. Mm-hmm. So out of this looking good and work, what's the real simple answer to all this? Real simple, listeners.
The real simple answer is that looking good and working good are side effects. The real answer is that a website should be part of a marketing idea. It's a marketing project. How is your website going to support your business? Once you know that, then you can determine, okay, how should it look? And what's it going to do?
Should it look just like my brochure?
Should it? Maybe there's some elements that should, because you want to keep your branding flowing from your printed projects to your online projects.
So when I'm developing my website or not trashing it like I used to and spending more money to create something that wasn't what I wanted in the first place, maybe expanding on what I already have based on a lot of what I've learned from you, Jeff, is I need to really ask some in-depth questions about really what I want to achieve and what you want to achieve with your website. And if it's just about looking good, well, that's pretty easy, right?
It is.
But at the end of the day, in business, I think we want to do more than just look good.
Right. In fact, you know, you go to the search engines and you do a search. Google doesn't take looking good into consideration in the search results.
They're not going to find this space looking good.
You're not going to, get that #1 position because you have the best looking website.
So looking good isn't everything, my friends. But this is a very valuable piece on page 9 of Dominate at the Top, the book that Jeff has created. And he shares these topics with my business building seminars. And terrific information here, Jeff. I thank you.
Great. Thank you, Larry.